I'm going to be trying to replace this Nishimoto oil catch can that has been leaking oil. That's sealed, and I've tried multiple things to try and seal it back up, but it's still leaking oil, and I put foil underneath it temporarily just to catch it, because I ordered this right here off Amazon a couple days ago. I just wanted something to keep the oil off of my new alternator, which is conveniently located directly below the oil catch can. That led to my alternator being destroyed, and so this is a rebuild. This is a first time oil catch can installation, so if you're looking for that, this isn't going to be particularly helpful for you, because I already did all the hosing and everything. So today all I am going to be doing is swapping out the catch can. I already have the mount and the tubing and everything. If you wanted a instructional video on that, you're gonna have to look elsewhere. Let's take that, move that there. Get this. Yeah, there it is. And you can probably see definitely oil on the bottom. It's gonna go in here. Also, to be noted, many people online did say be sure and wrap the threads because it will leak if you don't. This can has to go in a particular direction, and one is the PCV valve, which Joe says is this, and the other goes to the intake manifold, which has to be the other one, so this has to be intake manifold. So actually, it goes like this, because it can only go on one direction, I guess. The other one, it didn't seem to matter.
Looks pretty in there.
It does, doesn't it?
All the red accents.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good choice getting a red one. Ooh, I need my leather coat.
Okay. There it is.